welcome to this platform. And I guess you're doing fine wherever you're watching the video from. All right, so I've got these 3 questions I would like to discuss with you. So for the first question, they are saying solve the equation 1 over 3 x power 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. So basically, for question A, we've got x power 3 over 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. I know, of course, somebody may say, how come here we've got x power 3 over 3 and here there is 1 over 3 x power 3? Where has the 1 gone? That's a question some of you may be wanting to understand. Here, without wasting your time, you multiply this one, whatever number is on top, by the variable here, which is x power 3. So it will be x power 3 because 1 times x power 3 will just give us x power 3. So after doing that, you now group the like terms. So you've got x power 3 over 3 is equal to a 9. Okay? So mind you, this is the whole number. And of course, we know that any whole number, there is an invisible one down here like this. Why am I doing this? It's because I want to do some cross multiplication because of this fraction. So now we can say x power 3 times 1, it will give us x power 3, which is equal to 3 times 9 will give us 27. This is what we call cross multiplication. So after doing the cross multiplication, we must get rid of this power 3. Remember, we are solving for x, not x power 3. So here we can now put the cube root. Okay? So with equations, what you do to your left-hand side must be done to the right-hand side. So this root will be cancelled by this power 3, and we shall remain with the x, which is equal to, what is the cube root of 27? Of course, the cube root of 27 will be equal to a 3. In case you don't know, when we talk about cube root, we're simply talking about a number which can multiply by itself 3 times, and it gives us 27. That is a 3. 3 times 3, it's 9. Times 3, it's 27. So this is how question A must be answered. Let's go to question B and see what we're supposed to do on question B. So, of course, for question B, 1B, we've got 4 power x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, of course, without wasting our time, we have to group the like terms. And this would be 4 power x minus 1 is equal to a 2. So we've done this, we've grouped the like terms. We now balance the bases. This 4 can be written as 2 power 2. You know, of course, when you say 2 power 2, it will give us a 4, because you are multiplying this 2 by itself. 2 times 2 will give us a 4. Where are we supposed to take this power? It's supposed to be up here. And then we say equal to a 2. And mind you, there is a 1 here, an invisible 1, even here, power 1. 2 power 1, it will still be a 2. We can now clean up here so that we create some space. So understand this now. From here, power to power, you always multiply. So this power 2 will be multiplied by x and also by minus 1. So it will be the base there, which is a 2, 2 times x, it's a 2x, 2 times negative 1, it's a negative 2, which is equal to 2 power 1. Okay? And from this stage, of course, we equate the powers. This will be 2x minus 2 equal to a 1. So please note that when you've got the same bases, you equate the powers. So this is a 2 and a 2 here. Bases are equal to each other. We equate the powers. So this power is equal to this, and this is what we have. We can solve. So this is a 2x equal to 1 plus 2. 2x is equal to 3. Divide by 2 by 2. The value of x will simply be equal to 3 over 2. That's the answer for question B. I hope somebody is enjoying what is going on right now. And I'm encouraging you to subscribe if you've not done so, and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, so let's go to question 2. So for question 2, which you're able to see here, okay, we've got 2, that is x power 2 is equal to 16. Okay, here I want you to understand something. If you want to solve equations like this, you must make sure that what is here is equal to what is here. Here we've got x, but here the power is x power 2. So even this must have a power 2 in order for us to solve. So we're going to say x power 2. Actually, before we do that, so that you can understand, we can say power x power 2, and then there will be a power 2 here, so that we can multiply these times this, which is equal to 16 power 2. So let me repeat this. Here, this power 2, okay, which you're able to see, will be multiplied by this power. So remember, what you do to the left-hand side of the equation must also be done to the right-hand side. So I've raised to power 2 here, even here power 2. So this will be like this, x power 2, x power 2 equal to 256. So when you say 16 power 2, it's going to give us a 256. And of course, here we can say x power 2, x power 2 is equal to 4 power 4. Okay? We want to have base equal to the power, base equal to the power. Okay? And from this stage, we can of course say x power 2 is equal to a 4. The moment you see that the base here is equal to the power and also the base equal to the power, just get this base equal to this base, which is right here. And to solve for x, we square root both sides, okay? So this will simply be equal to x is equal to positive or negative 2, of which we can write our answers as x equal to 2 or x equal to negative 2. So these are the two answers. We now go to our last question where we need to simplify. So to simplify here, we are just going to multiply what is in front of the brackets by what is inside. Okay? This is what we call getting rid of the brackets. So 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 4, that is 8. Negative times 2, it's negative 2. Negative times negative x, it's positive x. Remember, negative or negative must give us a positive. We now group the like terms. This will move with this, plus 8 minus 2. Here, we are getting a 3x plus a 4 as our answer. So this is how you get to answer these questions. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok. If you're watching this on Facebook, follow us on TikTok. If you're watching this on TikTok, please remember that we've got a YouTube channel, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. So in all the social media platforms, the same name that you're able to see, Jacob Sichamba Online Math, is what is there. To the people who are preparing for their GCE or those who are thinking to sit for GCE 2026, please note that classes have started, and this is a number that you can get in touch with us on 0969 17 57 01. If you're outside Zambia, put +26. We offer online classes in all the subjects, so please get in touch with us on WhatsApp, and we'll be able to guide on how you can join our online classes. Thank you, and bye-bye.